Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in this 2024 Toyota Tacoma. They made this very easy. So first thing you need to do, open the glove box door and remove everything you have inside. Now if you look straight back, there's an access panel. So on the left side here, just pull in on this little tab and this door will swing out towards you. Okay, and then straight ahead is where the cabin air filter is located, behind that door. So grab over here on the right side and pull out. Actually, if you grab on the top, there we go. It swings out, then pull it out. Set that aside, and then just slide the cabin air filter straight out. And it looks like we have some debris here. We have a leaf and looks like a stink bug. So we'll go ahead and remove the filter from this little plastic tray here and install the new one. It's a good idea to check inside this fan, make sure all these fins are clear of any debris. Don't want anything spinning around in there. So check that before you install the new one. Okay, it's time to remove this filter from this tray. It's pretty straightforward. Just pull it away from those little plastic tabs and it will come straight out. And then pay attention to the direction. See here, it says up this way. So set that aside and then get your new filter. Alright, time to install the new filter. It simply just goes right back into place here. Just watch these two ribs here. They'll go up inside the filter pleats that line up with that. So just stick one end in and just slowly bring it down into position. That's it. You'll see what I mean. A couple of these filter pleats will go right over top of those reinforced ribs there. Okay, so once that's in, you're ready to slide it back into place. So take your filter cartridge and just push it back in till it stops, and then take the door and line up the left side first. Get you in there a little closer so you can see what I'm talking about. See those two slots there? Well, this door goes right in there like that, and then swing it shut, and then this right side, all you do is push it like that and it'll click. That's it. That's nice and secure. Now you take this other cover and start on the right side, stick that in there, and then push on the left. Hear it snap, and that's it. You can load all the crap back up in there. It's a good time to clean your glove box out. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it. Hope it helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.